So in the rational approach to strategy, everything's rational, everything's thought through at the beginning, and it's kind of a, I start here and in 3 years' time I'm going to be here. And that's what those arrows are, they're pointing into the future. And it says, like, the first thing you need to do is analyse your strategic position. Where am I today? Then you're going to build up a load of options of what you can do because of that, and then make a strategic choice. Which way am I going to go? And then once you've made your choice, obviously you've got to implement that choice. You've got to make some action. And that's it. That's the rational approach to strategy. That's all it is. It's what you've got to have in your head. And then some models are used, aren't they? Now remember, models in SBL you will never have to quote. All right, you're not going to get marks for knowing these models, but they are things you can think of in an exam question. So you think, right, this question's about strategic position. I could use Pestel, I could use Porter's five forces, I could use Porter's diamond, I could use Porter's value chain, and then on to strategic choice, I could use the suitable, feasible, acceptable and the 9M's model. I could use SWOT to tell me, what am I good at, what am I bad at. That will help me make my strategic choice. Ansoff's matrix, the 7Ps, the marketing mix, BCG, the Boston Consulting Group. So I want you to really remember those well. That's the rational approach. And remember where the models fit, which models you can use for which type of question. Even though you won't be actually mentioning the model necessarily, you'll be able to use it. Now, the rational approach is only one approach. Okay, there are others that I'm going to look at in the next couple of videos, but then we're going to go back and have a look at all these different models as well.